To make an existing report current, open it and click on Refresh Report in the top right. This will place the report back into build mode and pull in the most updated data. You can now change any of the report settings in the left column. Or if you don't need to make any structural changes, simply click Save Report. Update the name and sharing options if needed, and click Save Report again. Please note, the new report will save with a new date stamp. The old report will not be overwritten. Be sure to use clear naming conventions so that any versions of the same report are easy to distinguish.